Hi, my kitties. Hi, Longshot. Hi, kitties. Oh, I feel like Longshot's warning Warren not to get too close. Because did you see that? Like, Warren came over and stiffed me. And then Longshot came and kind of batted him away so that he didn't get too close. So I think he's not really fighting with him. I think he's just being protective. That's cute. Aw. You're going way over there. Poor kitties. Hi, kitty. Hi. Hi, Longshot. Oh. Okay, well, I'll go get you guys some treats, okay? I'll get you guys some treats. Not much going on out here tonight, is there? I saw another kitty in the backyard. Yeah, you guys were both on the porch in the light where I could see you, and I saw the silhouette of another kitty along the fence line. At first I thought it was Longshot because it looked black with white around its neck, but you were sitting right there. So I don't know. Maybe you have a twin. Oh, that's so cute. Okay, I'll be right back with treats. Good kitties. You're in a loaf position, but I can see one of your little feet. That's so cute.